Welcome everybody, my name is Adam, also known as the Swedish car guy. In my channel I do car reviews, car meets and my own project car. And today we have the last episode of the Subaru month. And I have seen that a lot of people that are watching, you're not subscribing. So why not press the subscribe button? And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like, as I said before, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And as a lot of you already know, I release a new video every Sunday, and I wish you a great Sunday. Take care! And welcome to Bill's Subaru Legacy GTB World Rally Edition Limited. This car has a 5-speed manual, and as you can see I'm on the right side once again, because this is a GDM import, because this is a pretty rare car. So far as we know, is this the only one that we currently are having here in Sweden. So, how is it power-wise? Well, the car has 286 horses, and as some of you already know, the Japanese government had a gentleman's agreement that said that you only should have 280 horses, but this has a little bit more, so I think it's fine. And this car, as the Impreza, also got permanent four-wheel drive. And I can tell, because it feels pretty stable when I'm driving. Right now we are driving from Höganäs to Helsingborg, just to so I get the hang of the car as well. And yeah, for a first time ever driven this car, I feel pretty confident actually, which was not what I think I'm gonna be. I thought I'm gonna be unsecure about the car, but it feels pretty stable. No problem with the gearbox as well, so it feels pretty good. And how is this compared to an EVO, you ask? Yeah, I would say you can buy this instead of an EVO if you would like that. Why not? As this car is so much more rare than an EVO. Everyone has an EVO. Do you want to be like everybody else? I don't. Do you? So, I have also one question to all of you that are watching right now. Would you prefer this, or an Impreza, or an EVO? I want you to comment below which one you would choose. And the handling characteristics of the car, the weight distribution is pretty good, so it feels pretty stable. Right now we're going a little bit over the speed limit, because this is pretty fast actually as well. But yeah, I feel pretty confident. It feels like a solid car from the ground up in every way. It feels like it's good value. And Bill, how much did you pay for this car when you bought it?
A little bit over 120,000.
And that's the same money as a GTR, Skyline, R32 or something like that. And I love the Skylines, but as I said before, this is a much rarer car. So why would you buy a Skyline when you can buy something like this? Sure, I understand the Skyline is the Godzilla and this is a Nissan, and I'm a personal fan of Nissan myself, but I would highly consider this car as well. If you have the money, why not buy something exclusive? Because this one, as we said before, is the first one here in Sweden. So how is this to drive? I mean, the handling of the car. Yeah, it's pretty solid. You definitely feel that this car has a lot of grip, to say the least, because I can pull pretty hard in the corners as well. So let's see, I just have to drive past this car. So it grips pretty good. I don't have to be on the brakes as well. So that means the handling is really good in this car. I'm actually not doing the speed limit in this corner, and it feels pretty good. So I would say this is a really awesome car. So as we said before, should you buy this car? Why not? If you have the money, just do it. Be different, be unique in any way you can, because I think it's important to not be like everybody else, because that's not fun. That's not fun at all. And just listen to this sound. It sounds so good. It's so fun to drive. Really fun car to drive. And it's really easy to drive as well. I have driven a S15 before. Not since my channel, but before. But I would say this is as easy to drive, or maybe a little bit easier to drive than an S15. Maybe. And what did you all think about this car review? If you liked the video, don't forget to give the video a like. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe button, so you don't miss out when I release a new video. And from now on, we're gonna have a normal schedule, so no more Subaru month. This is the last one, and I wish you all a great Sunday.
All these brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die.